as we commemorate the 84th araw ng Tagitingan, let's call to mind what our heroes have done for us. It is indeed proper to give thanks to our heroes who have sacrificed their lives of what we are experiencing now. There is peace all over the Philippines because of the works of our heroes.
Today, we gather not just to remember a struggled battle, but to celebrate a spirit that can never be defeated. We honor the men and women of 1942, Filipinos and Americans alike, who fought with limited resources against overwhelming odds. Giting ng Bayani, Pamana sa Salin Lahi. The theme for this year's commemoration reminds us that this bravery is a gift to be passed on to the next generation. Habang tayo ay nakatingin sa hinaharap, huwag nating kalimutan ang ating pinagmulan. Ang ating giting ay hindi natatapos sa mga veterano. Ito ay nagpapatuloy sa bawat Pilipinong may malasakit sa bansa. Let us therefore carry the light of Bataan and Corregidor with us. Let us be united in facing our modern challenges. The battle against hardships may be long, just like our heroes in 1942. We know that as long as we stand together, the Filipino spirit will always prevail.
Sa ika-84 na taon ng ating paggunita, naway maging malinaw sa atin na ang giting ng bayani ay hindi lamang alaala. Ito ay isang buhay na diwa na dapat nating isabuhay. At ang pamana ng salinlahi ay hindi lamang tinatanggap. Ito ay pinagyayaman at ipinapasa sa susunod pang mga Pilipino.